¿Cómo se llama la parte donde vamos hoy?
Cueva de Beamar.
Ah, okay.
Cueva de Beamar.
So we're going to a cave today. So we finally made it here to the national park, and it's not what I'm used to doing. I usually like going to places that tourists don't go, but fuck it, let's check it out. Let's see what this cave has to offer. Look at this really old communist playground. This thing is probably from the 50s. This cave that you see here goes down 200 feet. So, of course, I had to go down. Holy shit, we're going down far. Yo, I feel like I'm in Minecraft right now. I feel like I'm in the movie Descendant with all the demons that are in the cave and stuff.
Porque por aquí hay una fuente. Fuente de agua.
Oh, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Oh.
Que tú tomas agua y ya no te pones viejo.
Oh, ¿verdad? Oh, the Fountain of Youth. Se llama así en inglés, Fountain of Youth.
¿Cómo?
La Fountain of Youth, cuando tú la tomas, no te...
Eso es good.
Sí, sí, Fountain of Youth. Alright, now I'm ahead of the group. I'm all alone now. Hopefully a demon doesn't pop out and freaking get me. Like that one movie, Descendant. You guys should really watch that movie, it's a pretty good movie. Whoa, look at this. Oh, shit. Fuck it, let's keep going. Bro, if I get lost in here, I'm fucked. Oh, shit. Ooh. Look how quiet it is, listen. Oh, hell no. There's no lights down there. I don't think I'm supposed to go that way. Fuck it, let's go. Okay, I think I'm in an area I'm not supposed to be in. But let's just go. This is kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. I can't see anything. cannot see anything at all. Fuck. What am I doing? There's no lights. There's absolutely no lights in here. It's pitch black. Let me show you what I see right now. That's what I see. Fuck. Where the fuck am I going?
At this point I stopped because I thought I saw someone standing there, so I turned around.
Alright, I'm gonna head back because I think I saw something. So I don't know what the fuck that was. Maybe it's just my mind playing tricks on me. But yeah, where the heck did everyone go? Am I the only one that went this way? Alright, found the group again. Apparently this water... Oh, shit! Well, the light turned off. Alright. Now everyone got scared. So like I was saying, apparently this water is a fountain of youth. That's what that guy said. I'm not gonna drink it. Down there, I wasn't supposed to go down there. And apparently a girl got lost down there and they never found her. So, yeah, let me not go over there again. It's a pretty cool experience. You know, it sucks how we got to turn around, but yeah, now I'm gonna go see if the boxing gym is open again. And how many people have been lost in here? You said a few people got lost.
Lost? If you don't come up this way, you will come up in the newspaper.
Oh yeah.
You always will.
Holy crap. Alright, we finally got out of that place. Yeah, the stairs killed me. Hola amigo, ¿tú sabes cuándo la guagua va a ir allá abajo?
Ahorita después del almuerzo.
Como en 30 minutos? Oh, okay. Yeah, gracias. So this guy just told me apparently you can eat the seeds from this tree. From the leaves.
Pruébalo para que tú veas.
Let's try it out. It's como
Es la mata, mira.
holy crap, that tastes like an almond. It's ¿cómo se llama?
Almendra.
Oh, it's una almendra. Oh, this is an almond tree, man. That's cool as fuck. Oh shit, okay, gracias amigo. Ciao. Hola. ¿Cuánto va a ser para ir a Matanza? 5 pesos. I literally almost missed the bus. Me and the guy were having such a great conversation that we didn't even notice the bus was leaving. Well, I missed my stop. I got a 30-minute walk back to the fucking beach because I missed my stop, man. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Tú sabes dónde está la gimnasio de boxing?
poco lejos.
Es poco lejos. ¿Tú no haces taxi? ¿Y cuánto es para llevarme allá?
200 pesos.
200 pesos ahí de boxing de gimnasio. Ok, vamos.
I know I look like a freaking goof. You don't have to tell me in the comments.
Seems like none of the boxing gyms are open. Si yo te da 400 pesos para llevarme a la otra. Ok, vamos.
Here.
Oh yeah? See? Actually, it looks like it may be open. Gracias, amigo. ¿Hay clase hoy o no?
Venga, ¿eres argentino, no?
¿Cómo?
¿De qué país?
De Chile, pero yo
chileno.
nació en Canadá.
Ah, en Canadá. Coño,
Sí.
yo tengo un alumno mío en Canadá, anunciado en Quebec.
Oh, ¿verdad?
Sí, viene aquí, estaba de vacaciones para allá, para Canadá, para allá.
Oh.
Mira, nosotros tenemos que ponernos de acuerdo.
Mm.
Esto está en reparación,
Oh, yeah.
pero tenemos otro gimnasio.
Sí, la otra que estaba allá.
Allá.
Sí, yo estaba ahí, no está abierto.
No, tranquilo. ¿Cuándo tú vienes mañana?
No puedo, mañana me voy.
¿Ya te vayas mañana?
Sí.
Coño.
Sí. Yo estaba aquí ayer, pero no estaba abierto.
¿Y qué es lo que tú quieres hacer? ¿Un poco de mascota, algo eso?
Hoy solamente quería grabar la persona boxing.
Ah, pues no están.
No,
No están, compadre. Es una lástima, compadre.
no. Okay.
Los muchachos ahora en estos momentos están en competencia nacional.
Oh, ¿verdad?
Están escolares allá en Santiago de Cuba,
En Santiago.
compitiendo.
Y en Estados Unidos también.
¿Eh?
Y en Estados Unidos también.
No.
Solamente en Chile.
Sí, solamente aquí en Chile.
Ah,
Viniste,
ok.
si hubiese venido 15 días atrás, hubiese cogido una buena cantidad de entrenamiento. Bueno. Aquí hay campeones nacionales. Aquí salió Andy Cruz.
¿Verdad?
Andy Cruz salió aquí, fue su entrenador. Yo soy el entrenador
¿Verdad?
de aquí de Cuba.
What? ¿Y él hace boxing aquí?
No, Andy ya está en Estados Unidos.
Oh, está en Estados Unidos.
Le pelea el día 15. El sábado pelea.
Ah.
El sábado pelea. Él está en Filadelfia.
Oh, gracias, amigo.
Ah, bueno.
Tiene buen día. Chao.
Chao.
Chao. Well, turns out the boxing place is completely closed. He said that if I would have came 10 days before or a few weeks before, I would have seen one of the best boxing matches of my life. Unfortunately, because it's summer, all the people that do boxing here either go to the States to box or they go to different countries. So, and they're very competitive. Cuba is known for having the best people for boxing. So, ¿cómo se llama? Pastel de qué? De guayaba. Gracias. Tienen buen día. Gracias. This is called un pastel con guayaba. Let's try it out. It only cost me 20 cents, by the way. This shit is good. Holy fuck. I'm definitely happy I got this. Holy crap, it's really hot. It's about like 100 degrees. Good shit, man. Good shit, good shit.
I don't see myself coming back to Cuba again, even though it did have some amazing beaches. It's not because I got scammed a lot.
Everyone else got a ticket, but they're making me pay in cash. Like, what the fuck? He said the boxing gym was around here. He lied to me, so he scams my ass.
This doesn't define the Cuban people. Cuban people are actually very friendly.
Let's try it out. Es como,
Es la mata, mira. Coge izquierda
okay.
y preguntar, ciclo U.
Dude, this guy is awesome. His name is, he's like, oh, you want to go to Casablanca? I'll show you where it's at. So he's gonna take me up. Okay, gracias, amigo.
Oh, no, you're
Gracias.
Cuba just wasn't for me. So, until next time, thanks for watching.